The all-new BMW concept Neue Klasse has made its world premiere at the legendary 24 Hours of Le Mans, offering the clearest preview yet of BMW's all-electric future. More than just a design study, the concept introduces a new generation of high-performance electric vehicles that blend motorsport technology with everyday usability. Designed under BMW's philosophy of born on the racetrack, made for the streets, the concept showcases a bold new design language. Its aggressive stance features muscular wheel arches, a shark nose front end, a V-shaped hood vent, and advanced aerodynamic elements inspired by racing. New signature lighting elements, including M yellow lights and three-dimensional track lights, draw inspiration from the BMW hybrid V8 race car and are expected to appear on future M models. The exterior also introduces a striking Monza red metallic finish, center lock wheels with BMW color accents, and sustainable natural fiber components integrated into the splitter, diffuser, and roof design. These lightweight materials improve performance while reducing environmental impact. Inside, the cabin focuses entirely on the driving experience. Four newly developed bucket seats feature two-tone Bathurst blue and berry red leather upholstery, complemented by red 5-point harnesses, a minimalist dashboard, black nubuck leather trim, and illuminated hexagonal graphics create a futuristic motorsport atmosphere. Under the skin, the BMW concept Neue Klasse introduces the next-generation BMW eDrive system. The advanced powertrain combines four electric motors with BMW Dynamic Performance Control, managed by the powerful Heart of Joy computing system. This setup enables precise wheel-by-wheel power delivery, improved traction, rapid responses, and exceptional driving dynamics. The concept is built on BMW's Neue Klasse architecture and features an 800-volt electrical system paired with a battery pack exceeding 100 kWh. BMW says the battery is structurally integrated into the chassis, enhancing rigidity while supporting long-range capability and ultra-fast charging. Many enthusiasts already view the concept as a near-production preview of the future electric M3. Online reactions have been largely positive, with fans praising the design for looking more like a traditional BMW performance car rather than a typical EV. Several community discussions suggest it could become one of the most exciting electric performance sedans of the decade. As BMW enters a new era of electrification, the M concept Neue Klasse demonstrates that performance, technology, and driving excitement remain at the heart of the M brand. With production-ready Neue Klasse models arriving soon, this concept offers an exciting glimpse into what the future of BMW will look like.